In this turbocharged tutorial, I'm going to show you invoicing. So the invoicing will be done by the person that does the invoicing for your business. Let's say that this job name, Michael Holding, has finished. We'll go in here. If the staff say, okay, well, the job's finished. First thing we notice, the status still says it's work in progress. So the first thing we're going to do is close the job. So the job's closed, it's going to be ready for invoicing. There is a turbo tutorial on job statuses you can have a look at as well. Now we'll scroll down to the invoicing. We can generate an invoice which will generate all the data. Let's generate a custom invoice, and this is one that I would recommend be used all the time. We've got tick boxes here that you can tick if you, for some reason or another, don't want to charge the client a particular line item for anything as we go down. Let's assume that we're going to charge the client for everything on here, materials and the like. Again, if you want to tick or untick each thing individually, you can. The thing I like about this feature is these tick boxes down the bottom. So it gives you an option of how much data you want to show the client. Some may want an item quantity breakdown and an item description. There might be most clients you might want to give them just a grand total only. So the tick box here, you can't untick grand total for obvious reasons because you are going to need to show them an amount to be paid, but there are other item tick boxes down here that you can tick or untick depending on what you wish to do. So let's generate the invoice and I'll show you what it looks like down here. Again, we'll just scroll down. We've got the invoice number there. We can view the invoice, we can email the invoice, or we can remove it. We also have an invoice landing page I'll show you quickly. Very simple data table. We've got a job number, invoice number, an amount, and also a search box here if you want to search for a particular job number or a particular invoice number that you have. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for your time.